Good day, my name is Dennis Williamson, a student nurse of the University of the Bahamas. Today I will be showing you a procedure of the unoccupied bed. But firstly, we have to perform our hand hygiene. Next, as we go to the bed, we have to make sure that there's no spills on the floor, which is there's none. We also have to make sure that the wheels of the bed is locked in. If they're not locked in, just lock them in. I also have my clean linens here, in order to be used. Next, you position your bed to the position that is comfortable for you to work in. And also, as you can see, my bed is already laid flat, so it'll be good. And also, you lay down the railing so that you can maneuver around. Now, put on my gloves. Track them. Good. Now we can start. So if the lens is in soil, you can reuse them again. But I'm going to reuse the blanket again, the first layer. So I loose it from the top, loose it from the bottom, and I fold it in a square, so I can reuse it again, and rest on the side, on the chair or anything next to you. Next, you take off the pillowcase. You leave the pillowcase on the bed with the soft linens, and put the pillow on the side, on the chair. Next, so when you're taking off the bed, the bottom linen, you remove from the bottom away from your clothes. Go around. You make sure that you don't shake the linen. Afterwards, you just put the linen in the soil bag. Dispose of your gloves. Okay. Now, the next procedure is that you can rearrange your bed, and also if the bed is soiled, you can just wipe it down, depending on the policy of your hospital or your facility. So it's wiped down, it's not soiled anymore. So the next thing I'm going to use is a filter sheet, the bottom. So you leave it vertically on the bed. So you start from top. You start from the top. You make sure that you secure it. Make sure that it's secure. Then you get your pad, the absorbent pad. You leave it vertically on the bed. Vertically on the bed. Go on the next side. Start from the top. Make sure it's secure. Work your way down. finish open up your part. So the next thing that you'll be using, the next thing you'll be using is your next layer sheet. Open it vertically. Vertically on the bed. Here's the top. So you work your way from the top to the bottom. And you open it top, make sure it's open. And you should make sure it hang down. So next thing I'll be using is the blanket. I'll invert. No. So you start from the top. So you bring it down like 6 inches from the head. 6 inches from the head of the bed. Work down. Make sure it's in the middle of the bed. Should hang down. Each side get even sides. Make sure smooth out the linen on the bed. So make sure smooth it out. So next thing you go at the bottom of the bed, you lift it up. You lift up with one hand. You put this. So you secure it under, and then we have to adjust it to make a triangle shape. Make sure adjust it. Make sure I'm gonna go. This is the bottom sheet and the fifth sheet. In the second sheet. Make sure it's a triangle. Make sure it's secure. Calm down. Come now. So go on the next side. You do the same procedure. You lift up with one hand. Bring it under. Open up. Show us in the triangle. Adjust it. Triangle. So when you do that, you pull down the head of the sheet down like 6 to 8 inches. Then you pull it off from the bottom. Just for the toe pleat, and you fold it. So you make sure that the sheet is set properly, and then you bring this down, make sure that it's secure, and then you bring it over so the person could be able to use it when they come, the patient. You fix it, make sure it's fixed. Straight. Also, when you get our pillowcase and our pillow, you open up the pillow and you go in the center of the pillow, but at the end, you roll it out. Then you get the end of the pillow, the bottom of the pillow. You bring it out. You bring it out, and then you cover it up with you cover up the pillow with the pillowcase, holding the pillow. So just bring it down. You don't put you shouldn't put the pillow or pillowcase on underneath your chin or in your teeth. So now, as you can see, I just adjusting the pillow. Make sure I fix properly. Okay. Now next we have to grab our gloves. Because we will have to check our gloves. Next we have to remove our store linens and dispose of them. Put them out to be washed. So now we dispose of our linens. So I dispose of them. You take off your gloves again. In the trash they go. Now you perform your hand hygiene again. And that would be the end of the procedure. Thank you.